Okay, now question number 7, part A. Now the substitution already given. So first we find the dy. dy is become 5d, the sine is cosine theta, d theta. And then the integration become integrate root 25 minus. Now you can easily see that y minus 6 is 5 sine theta. So all square. dy is 5 cosine theta, d theta. So this part simplify is 5 cosine theta times 5 cosine theta, d theta. So take out the constant, become 25 integrate cosine square theta, d theta. So for the cosine square, we will make use of the identities. Cosine square change to 1 plus cosine 2 theta over 2 d theta. And then we break it into two parts, so it is equal to 25 1 over 2 integrate d theta plus integrate 1 over 2 cosine 2 theta d theta. And afterward we will change this variable, so it is the first part become 25 over 2 theta plus 25 over 4 integrate cosine 2 theta d2 theta. So finally it is 25 theta over 2 plus 25 over 4 sine 2 theta, and then plus the constant. Now the original equation is in expression is the variable y, so you need to change all of that back to y. So because sine theta is y minus 6 over 5, so theta can change to the sine inverse y minus 6 over 5. But for the second term, sine 2 theta, it is 2 cosine theta sine theta, and the cosine theta can change to 1 minus sine square theta. So it is 2 times y minus 6 over 5, and then root 1 minus y minus 6 over 5 all square. Okay, afterward, we just further simplify. It is equal to 2 y minus 6 over 5, and then we combine into one denominator. It is the square root of 5 square minus y minus 6 all square over 25. So further simplify, we get something like this. 2 bracket y minus 6 over 25, and then it is 25 minus y minus 6 all square. So eventually the integration of root 25 minus y minus 6 all square dy will be 25 over 2 the sine inverse of y minus 6 over 5 plus y minus 6 over 2 root 25 minus y minus 6 all square plus c. Now for part B, we are going to find the boundary bounded by the circle. Now, so maybe we draw the circle first. The circle with the equation x plus 3 all square plus y minus 6 all square equal to 25. So the center is minus 3 and 6. So minus 3, 6. And the radius equal to 5. So you may imagine that this is our circle. And then we want to find the volume of the revolution of the region R. R is bounded by the curve y-axis in the first quadrant. So R is this one. So you rotate this one about the y-axis to get the volume. Okay, so we take this one out. So actually is we try to rotate this one to form the volume. So we let this is the radius. So this small volume is pi r squared times the dy. And then we sum it up from here up to here. So obviously this one when x is 0, you put x is 0 into the circle. So 3 squared plus y minus 6 all squared equal to 25. So y minus 6 all squared equal to 16. That is, so y minus 6 equal to 4 or y minus 6 equal to minus 4. So eventually you get 10 or 2. So it means this is 2, this is 10. So our integration, so the volume is integrate from 2 to 10 pi r square dy. And then what is the r? I put out the pi, 2 to the power 10. What is the r? R is, you see here, the circle is of radius 5. Radius 5. If you put give our values of the y, then what is the x? Now from this one you can see 25 minus y minus 6 all square. Taking the square root plus or minus and then minus 3. This is the x. Okay, because we obviously we want the x is positive, so this one should be if you are given a y, the x will be minus 3 plus root 25 minus y minus 6 all square. So we get it is minus 3 plus root 25 minus y minus 6 all square and then all square dy. So this is the volume. And in order to get the volume, so first we expand it first. So square become 9 minus 9 plus the square of this one, 25 minus y minus 6 all square, and then minus 6 root 25 minus y minus 6 all square dy. Now next we further simplify the this term, so it will be pi integrate 0 to 10. Now 25 minus the 36, the 6 square, and then plus 9, you get minus 2. And then plus 12y, and then minus the y square. Then this one will d with that to the y. And for the second part, we take out the minus 6 pi, and then integrate 2 to 10, root of 25 minus y minus 6 all square dy. And you will see that this part it will be exactly the same as the part A. Okay, next we further integrate this one. It is equal to pi, so minus 2y plus 6y squared minus y cubed over 3, and then bracket 10 0 2, not 0, this should be 2. And then minus 6 pi, and this one the answer is 25 over 2 sine inverse y minus 6 over 5 plus y minus 6 over 2 root of 25 minus y minus 6 all square, and then 10 2. So next you put the 10 into the expression, minus 20 plus 600 minus 10 cubed over 3 minus, you put minus 2, so it is minus 4 plus 6 times 2 square minus 2 cubed over 3. So this is the first part. And then minus 6 pi, the second part, it is 25 over 2, and then sine inverse of 10 minus 6, it is 4 over 5 plus 2 root 25 minus 4 square minus 25 over 2, the sine inverse of, when this is 2, it is 4 over 4, minus 4 over 5, and then minus 2 root 25 minus 4 square. And you will see that these two terms will be cancelled. So eventually you get pi. For the first part, after simplify, it should be 688 over 3. And then for the second part, this one will be, now actually, the minus can take out from this sine inverse, so it will become 25 sine inverse 4 over 5. Okay, so then you use your calculator, so you will get it is 283.5 if you correct to 1 decimal place.